Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the number plate light for a Peugeot 207 and other similar models. Please see the description for a full list. Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution. So let's get started. You need something like this, a small little tool where you can pierce through that little hole, as you can see right there. Can you see, guys? Right there. So I'm using this. I found this that slots inside the hole, and then you try to push it out with the tool, and then with your other hand you wiggle it out and then pull out, and then it will come off the plastic cover. As you can see here, this is the light bulb. It's a 12-volt 5-watt one. It's a standard light bulb which I use for the side lights of your car. So you just remove it out, just make sure it's aligned horizontal, and then you put the replacement one in. You can also use this this is a homemade clip where I made it as a tool. It fits in that hole there. I will show you now. As you can see, it's pierced through that hole. This is just as effective as the other tool I showed you. I hope this video helped. Please check out the playlist of other similar DIY jobs.